Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I got two iPhone X and today I want to show you how to transfer the files and applications and everything in another phone to another one. That means the whole things in another phone to another one. Okay, so let's go to see how to do this. Alright, I got the black one and the white one, and I want to transfer the file from the white iPhone X to the black iPhone X. And alright, so let's go to see. In iPhone X white color, and right here this is the application, and also another photos. Okay, and I want to transfer the whole things of the iPhone X white color to the black one. Okay, so let's see. In this phone I got Facebook Messenger, Telegram, YouTube, and just one photo. Okay, so let's go. Firstly, you need to see the phone that you want to transfer into. Right here is the black one, and there is nothing here. So firstly you need to factory reset. Okay, the phone, you need to factory reset the phone by going to the setting and go down, or you can type on the search here, so you reset. Okay, select on the reset, and right here reset, select on reset, and oh wait a minute, sorry, select on the bottom, erase all content and setting, select on it and continue, erase the phone. And you need to wait for the process of the factory reset. It may take some time, so I want to skip this step and I will come back again. Alright, after the factory reset, you have to unlock the phone, and then you need to unlock the passcode, or you need to to unlock the phone of the white color right here. Lock it. And then a small window will pop up like this. That means the phone that contain the applications and the files asks you that, do you want to set up a new phone right here with the transferring the file from this one to this one. Okay, so then you have to select on continue. Alright, and then you have to scan the barcode. Okay, scan it. Alright, sorry. Alright, and then keep it. Alright, and then you have to select on setup for me, and you have to enter the passcode of your other iPhone. You have to type the password of this one on this phone. Okay, this is the password, and the process is working, and you need to wait for a while, and then select on continue. It may take some time, according to your applications and the files of the phone that you want to transfer into the phone. While the process is working, you need to keep both phones near together. You cannot take it away. You have to keep it near each other. You see right here, keep this iPhone near new iPhone while your information is transferred. It may take a lot of time for this step, so I need to skip it and I will come back again. Alright, right here you can set up your Face ID, but I don't want to do this. Just select on setup later, and right here there are two options right here. Firstly, you can transfer the files or the application from the iCloud, the first one, and the second option is about the applications and the files and everything from the phone to another one. Okay, so you can choose by yourself if you want to transfer the file from iCloud or the files from the phone. So right here you can start using your iPhone. It's about 15 minutes, and down here transfer directly, so this iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. Time to transfer just only 5 to 10 minutes. So I want to choose the second one, just transfer the files from this phone to this phone. So I select on this one. Wait a minute. Select on agree. It is setting up your Apple ID, and then you have to type the password of the Apple ID in the white phone, the white color phone to the black one. So I need to type the password. Sorry, wait a minute. And then enter the passcode for another iPhone again, 843516. Sorry, right here you can only select on don't know iPhone passcode, enter passcode letter, and right here there are two options too. Right here just select on continue, continue, and everything is transferring to this phone. Okay, it is working. Just be patient because it takes sometimes. The process is according to the files on the phone. Alright, okay, sorry, continue. Your data has been transferred to the phone. After transferring the files from this phone to this phone, you can also formatting the data. You can also do the factory reset for this phone. Right here, erase this iPhone. Erase will sign out of the Apple ID and remove your personal data so this iPhone can be safely tracked in a given way. If you want to do this, you just select on continue, but for me I don't want to do this, so just select on not now. Okay, so let's see the phone that we have just done. Okay, the passcode of the black one just the same as the white one. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, that is the same. Wait a minute. You have to wait for a while, so I want to skip this step and I will come back again to see is it okay for transferring. Alright, after the processing is done, let's see the application that we transferred. Okay, so let's see the Facebook. Alright, it is work just like the same as the white one. Okay, this is my Facebook. Sorry, my Facebook account is right here. Okay, they are the same. Okay, let me turn on the Wi-Fi. And let's see the Telegram. Oh, the Telegram is not working, but the Facebook is okay. Now this is just the security for the application. Some application you can get the whole account, but some other cannot. This is according to the securities of the application. Okay, and let's see the YouTube. It's still working, so that is alright. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.